Lionel Messi came to Kolkata, it was supposed to be a celebration. People waited for hours. Some traveled from faraway cities.
इतना पैसा खर्च करके लोग दूर दूर से आए हैं और ये हम लोगों को देखने को मिला.
And for many, it was once in a lifetime moment. But the event ended early, and disappointment slowly turned into anger.
क्या होगा? 500 आदमी घेर के रखा मेसी को, सब नेता भी नेता लोग. हम लोग को क्यों बुलाया? ये देखिए टिकट 10 आदमी लोग क्या करने आएंगे हम लोग? पब्लिक मतलब बेवकूफ है बंगाल में. देख लीजिए 10,000 का टिकट है 12,000 का. एक शक्ल नहीं देख पाया उनका.
Chairs were broken, bottles were thrown, and the stadium was damaged. Now, think carefully. Messi did not do this, and the organizer did not do this. Then who? Oh, we. We did, and this is where the real story begins. Because this behavior is not limited to one stadium or one city. We see it almost every day, everywhere. A new Mumbai Metro Lines opens and it looks clean, modern, world class. And within a few hours, Gutka trains appear on the stairs. On the roads, people drive on the wrong side as if rules don't exist. In queues, people push and jump ahead as if only their time matters.
Don't try it. No. I don't care. Move. Current reservation over there. Move. You're not going in front. There's a line, mate. There's a line. Go back.
This is a current reservation.
Go
okay?
back.
This is not the
I've got.
current reservation. Today reservation.
Yeah, exact same. So move. Exact same.
Which train?
Move, Savarinesi.
Which train?
Doesn't matter.
Which
Move.
train?
Move.
Which train?
You're not going in front of me.
Which train?
Doesn't matter to you, does it?
Which train?
Doesn't matter. Go back. You're not
My
going in
train,
front of me.
30 minutes by my train.
You're not.
Okay?
I don't care.
Everyone wants development, but very few want responsibility. People often say education will fix everything, right? But these same educated people fight to buy the latest iPhone, break lines, shout, and sometimes even hit each others. So clearly, money and education alone do not give civic sense, right? In India, there is an unspoken rule. If you break the rule, you move ahead, and if you follow the rule, you are left behind. On the roads, the wrong side driver saves time. The honest driver waits. And when accident happen, the innocent people suffer. The rule breaker escapes. The rule follower feels foolish. Slowly, society sends a dangerous message that rules are optional. People love to say this happens in Bihar. Yes, in Bihar a bridge was stolen, a full bridge. But in Mumbai, people pretending to be civic workers dug roads and stole copper wires worth lakhs.
मुंबई कोस्टल रोड पर कॉपर केबल चोरी के केसेस बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं.
At railway stations, crore of rupees are spent on the development. But within days, garbage appears everywhere. This is not a state problem. This is a mindset problem. Public property feels like nobody's property, and when something belongs to everyone, we behave if it belongs to no one. We say India is spiritual, and we say Atithi Devo Bhava. But tourists see garbage near the Taj Mahal. They see people throwing wrappers at the Atari borders. We worship river, right? We call Ganga our mother. Yet we turn river into drains filled with waste and foam. The contradiction is painful because the problem is not culture. The problem is carelessness. People often say India has too much population, but Japan and Singapore are crowded too. Still, people stand in line and they follow rules. Not because they are special, but because breaking rules is not normal there. Law is strict and society supports discipline. There people think we first. Here we think me first. If you are still watching this video, you have probably seen these things yourself. Maybe on your street, maybe in your city. Silence has never changed anything. Talking about it is the first step. Look at the Indian students cleaning public places together. They are not from another country. They are us. Civic sense is not something we are born without. It is something we learn by watching others, and it can be relearned. India is not failing because of lack of money, right? India struggles because responsibility is missing. When rule breakers feel no fear, rule followers feel ashamed. But real change will begin when following rules become normal again. If you believe India can be better, then share this video with people around you. who can actually help improve things in their daily life. And tell me in the comments what is the one habit we must change first as a society. Thank you and Jai Hind.